Watch closely as we breathe new life into a forgotten, rusty kitchen grater. First, we soak the grater in a warm vinegar bath as rust flakes away in gentle clouds. Next, a soft bristled brush glides over every groove, loosening stubborn grime. With smooth circular sanding, the dull metal transforms, catching dramatic highlights. The final polish brings out a mirror-like gleam, each hole sparkling under the light. Every step is captured in soothing detail. Which part was most satisfying? Comment your favourite and subscribe for daily restoration relaxation.